My name's Lulu Crosthwaite-Eyre and I'm the Managing Director of Cygnus Instruments. We have defined a name for ourselves in producing very reliable ultrasonic units which are easy to use and they're very tough.
I'm Adrien, co-founder and CTO of Flyability. At Flyability we develop solutions for industrial inspection in confined spaces, indoors, in places that are really hard to reach, thanks to our collision-tolerant drones. So at Flyability, we started with visual and thermal inspection, and now our customers really see the benefit of combining this with thickness measurements, which is often part of the scope of inspections.
So Flyability and Cygnus decided to partner together because we have very complementary technologies and there's perfect brand alignment. We are present in the same market spaces, and as we found out from working together, our underpinning values are really well aligned too. So what Flyability and Cygnus have done together has been to integrate Cygnus's ultrasonic testing technology onto Flyability's Elios 3 aerial drone.
And so we really found this great fit with Cygnus, who has long-term vision, who has also a lot of credibility. A lot of our customers are very happy to be relying on Cygnus because they know this brand, they know they've been for a long time leaders in the market. So that's of course also been very important.
I think there's always going to be complementary manual UT to some extent, but the benefits of an aerial drone carrying UT are so great that I hope it's just a matter of time for procedures to be updated and for full adoption, because it really is so beneficial. I do see the use of UT drones becoming a standard technology going forward in NDT in general.
The main industries for this product are oil and gas and the chemical industries, where there are all sorts of metallic assets, pressure vessels, storage tanks, pipe racks, stacks, etc., etc. We have then in the maritime and shipping industry, there is then in power generation, and then there's a whole lot of other industries which have also their concerns with metallic assets, be it cement, food, etc., etc.
You've worked with very experienced validation partners in the field, and also very early on, you had a level 3 produce a white paper where there was a head-to-head comparison between the Elios 3 UT and their regular thickness gauge, whatever system they were using. And the very clear conclusion was they are absolutely equivalent in terms of being able to do the UT inspection.
Yeah.
But also, I think the repeatability, where you can log the points of interest and directly fly the Elios 3 back to where you've measured before, because you've got that location anchored in the LiDAR map, is amazing for efficiency when you need to monitor corrosion over longer periods. You can go back on a regular basis, but also accessing locations that maybe were completely impossible to access before. It's making the impossible possible in some cases.
So we're very happy now to complement the UT drone with the Tethered, which really matches well the thickness measurement use cases, which often are not necessarily hundreds of meters away from the operator. It's often at height, but the 50-meter tether allows really to carry out a whole scope in a storage tank, in a cargo hold, etc., way more efficiently than with battery-powered drones, where you need to always take a quick pause to swap batteries. So We think it will further democratize that technology, bringing ease of use, peace of mind to large scope ultrasonic inspections. There are things that are out of reach of a tether, which is where Elios 3 shines, of course, when you can just swap the battery back instead of the tether to go anywhere you want.